How can we raise the mind that had not broken free? Not a world falling down, even though the sun is shining. Think that I have found the only place I feel like I'm raised as one with reality. Watching the earth with minds that have